Do you have toddler at home? Does he or she loves food? Have you been shouting on that child, you won't pay the annual, you don't like food, why is that I don't like food? Have you been doing that? Then this video is for you. See, some of mothers don't have time for their child, and when it happens like that, they just go around and be shouting on the child that the child doesn't like food. It's not like that. You see how you have time for yourself and you can eat like there is no tomorrow. You as well have to have time for your kids. When your child gets to some stage like 2 years, 3 years, like if you have a toddler, those kind of people, they don't like sitting at one place, they run around. So the strategy you need to adapt is to give them handy foods. You can prepare something like pancakes, you can prepare BOFROT, donuts. I mean, not something that is flaky like pie and rock bands. With that, you are just going to give yourself some work to do. Because it is flaky, they can just spread it around, and that is another work for you to do. So what you can do is that when you prepare the pancakes or anything that is not flaky, when you wake up in the morning, you can just pick some, heat it for them, and then they enjoy it. When you heat it for them, they will pick one, they will run around with it, eat some, leave it somewhere, they will come back again and pick it and eat. That is how you need to treat them. But you don't just have to shout on them and tell them that they don't like food, even though some of them naturally they don't like food. Even me, that I'm adult, I don't like food. I don't like eating. I eat once a day. So now I'm also a toddler. I just pick some of the pancakes. Normally I do a lot of pancakes, yes. I pick it, heat it in the morning and eat, but not early in the morning. Early in the morning, I can't eat it. Maybe in the afternoon, I'll just pick some of the pancake, heat it, enjoy it with my soya milk, or just eat it like that, drink water, I'm good to go till evening before I can eat. So please try this for the kids and they are going to love it. It is just 2 ingredients, per. Yes. And trust me, kids, when they see new things, the way they cherish it, they cherish it too. So this one that you've made for them, just try and use another mode to mold it, or do it in a different way for them. When they see it, oh, they will fall in love with it. Maybe you've been preparing tatale for them and they love it. Just use this to prepare the tatale. Okay, you are going to save some oil. The oil is not going to be too much. You are going to save oil. And also when they see it like this, they think it's different recipe and they'll be so happy. They'll be very happy about it, but they don't know why you're moving. Yes, that is how we handle them. Send your bear and quiet the debia more aduane ba kosa debia de ba ko debia sobolo debia sobolo akwala si enipa bibi ni si enipa akwala si enipa. The way you enjoy your food, let them also enjoy some, okay? Please let them also enjoy. So this one is just ripe plantain. You add your flour. I added some pepper as well, because without pepper this house we can't stay. We love pepper. So you can even omit the pepper. Just 2 ingredients, you are good to go. So plantain waffles, I don't know how I should call it, maybe like that, it's ready, and try it for the kids. They will fall in love with it. If you haven't subscribed, please do all to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.